WooCommerce assigns default attributes to product variations when customers want to purchase. But maybe you want to delete default attributes from your variations. Of course, it's really difficult because it takes a lot of time. And that happens because you can't do it in bulk. You must do it one by one. That's why we want to show you how to do it with the WooCommerce product spreadsheet. This plugin displays all your products on a beautiful spreadsheet and contains a bulk edit tool for you to apply changes on hundreds of products in seconds. You can bulk edit any of your product fields, including fields created by other plugins such as BuddyPress, ACF, Yoast SEO, etc. Let's delete default attributes from all variations at once. Just open the bulk edit tool and select all rows to be edited. Now just select default attributes, clear value, and execute. After this, the default attributes will be deleted from all your products. Now let's delete default attributes from all variations containing a specific keyword. Just open the bulk edit tool and go to the search options. Now enter the desired keyword and run the search. After that, just select default attributes, clear value, and execute. With these simple steps, the default attributes will be deleted from all your selected products. If you want to search for all products containing a specific category, attribute, tag, or shipping class to delete the default attributes from them, you can do it quickly. Just open the bulk edit tool and go to the search options. You can enter any of the mentioned parameters in enter tags and click on search. After that, just select default attributes, clear value, and execute. With these simple steps, the default attributes will be deleted from all your selected products. Deleting the default attributes from thousands of products is really easy with the WooCommerce product spreadsheet. You can download it using the link in the description. Also, you can get personalized assistance from one of our experts on the live chat of our website. Subscribe to this channel for more tutorials.